Hey everyone, today just I'll properly explain why meta title is important for a website, but it's so basic class. If you think deeply, then you can understand why meta title is so important. Most of the time, meta title called meta tag. Okay, let's go. First of all, I'll explain shortly why meta title is so important. Just think, most of the time our content is quality. We are providing quality content and constantly upload our content in my website. Then Google understand this website may be quality, then they are rank your content, and then they are check your quality and credibility. Okay, first of all, why I just show the one example. Also upon time my website means Orrgo.com, I get lots of information but I don't get lots of click. The main reason, I don't know why, the main reason my meta title means meta tag is so weak. That's why I don't get enough clicks, but I get more information, means impressions. That's why meta title means meta tag is so important. Just I'll shortly explain why meta title is important and how to apply and how to write meta title for your website. Okay, then let's begin. First of all, I am select one niche plus location. There's because our main focus is because this playlist challenge mainly focused on local SEO, how to rank your business in locally. Then let's go. First of all, I need select one niche, like select one big niche like real estate. Maybe my what is wrong, real estate and plus location. My location, I think I will choose Dublin, Ireland. Okay, on a search, then Google show the search result, and I'm first of all I am skip this website because this is sponsored website, because they have a lots of money, that's why they are sponsored, but they are not very organic traffic, and their website is most of the time proper SEO. This is I just skip this video. Most of the audience are skip this because they understand this text website is sponsored. Okay, I'm scroll down. This is not my topic. My topic is why meta title is so important. And scroll down, and first of all look at this. My home, there are lots of means authorities. That's why we are not use this, but you can understand or check this for idea for write how to write meta title for this website. Okay, I'm scroll down. They are not used for SEO. Okay, I'm scroll down. I think okay, they are follow exact match. I am always said, even Google's every search engine, even lots of because I always say exact match is right now be working. Okay, now understand our main focus means what our service, like this website in means Ireland. Actually they are provide real estate service. That's why their main focus and main service is real estate, because they are, that's why they are follow exact match. Okay, first of all look at this means website name, real estate .ie, and their title, that's why because our main focus is and our main goal is what is title and why important. Okay, real estate Ireland is East Agent Ireland. Then you can understand here is work on exact match. Just think, yeah, here is always they are god of the real estate and they are follow exact match. That's why when you write meta title, you will write unique, specialized and attractive. When your audience are search your based on your service means keyword in Google or anywhere, but most of the time search in Google, then Google show the result, and they are scroll down and they are look at this your website, and when they are scroll their website and look at your website, then you get information. And like I'm scroll down, and I think their logo is not important, their title is so important, real estate and Ireland. That means they are shortly explain their title, their provide real estate and in Ireland. Then I understand, I think they are providing good service, and you can check Dublin luxury real estate. But most of the audience are not means they are not invest a lot of money for their make house. That's why the most of the audience are such affordable. That's why this website, I think in my point of view, they are provide a good title for their website. That's why when you create title for your website, first of all understand what is your site, what is your main core seed or root service. Then your profile can shortly explain your keyword and URL. Your first of all, when you build a new website and when you buy a domain, then you can understand, or you don't have a exact follow exact your URL notary, but your most of the time you are follow exactness in your title and meta descriptions. Meta description is so easy. First of all understand your title, then you can based on your or shortly description like 150 to 60 character, 140 to 50 character you are use for your meta descriptions. And that's why metadata is so important, because most of the time our website get lots of informations but not get enough traffic, means enough click, and Google understand maybe this website not have a quality and there are this website not have a proper SEO there, and then Google will drop your ranking. And also one time your website is not show in first page or first result. That's why that's why it's very important in title tag for your website. And I hope you can understand. And you can most of the time now most of the people are use ChatGPT. Remember, ChatGPT means AI consume your mind, and also extend your thinking ability is come down, and you are not deeply think. That's why when you research or find something, you are go to the Google and then research, because we are organic marketer and our main goal is we are researching, and this is our good point. That's why when you find or write something, you are like you are write but take 30 minutes and look your competitor website title and some research, and go to the any blogs like SEMrush, Hrefs. The search engine channel is the best for you. Then you can better answer, because they are properly explained but deeply. But you are I recommended you are not use ChatGPT, but even I am use ChatGPT, but most of them I don't use ChatGPT. When I need, then I use. That's why first of all understand and then create metadata for your business. Thank you so much for this video. Even I am lastly sure, because I am probably most of the time practically explain, and most of subscribers not like me. I don't care. My goal is because I am follow consistency, and my goal is like I'm go to the Instagram, and I promise actually almost June to June date is to I'm start posting. Right now I'm go to the Instagram. Oh sorry, what I write, then you can check. Okay, it's not my good but look at this, my competitor post. Understand, this is a post, and I'm right now I'm go to the my profile, and I'm combining in my post and his post. Every day I spent almost 3 to 4 hours creating post, and look at my post and look at my competitor post. Like I'm go to in her website, I'm not negatively think, just I am sure what I am exactly working. Look at him website, and yeah, it's shortly explained, but look at my photos. I am deeply and properly explained. My post is, even I am believe, and most people my post is quality, and I believe my post. And you are thinking, look at this and look at this. I have 1949 followers, right? I have 34 followers. I don't care followers. I just love to discipline and consistency, because Google, even me, even almost my audience are called. Consistency is matter in SEO, means organic marketing. You don't have a consistency, then you can't rank your business in anywhere. Even you can't grow yourself. That's why you need to have a consistent for your business and discipline. Look at this. Today I post almost 1 2 3, and my goal is today is September 2, and right now I will posting for 149, and I count I am posting in October November 2 day 2 I am post almost 150, and I am start my posting in June month 2, and today I'll upload this video. Then I am explain my challenge, and I'll post my 150 and complete my challenge. And this is my challenge, and I love my consistency. That's why I'm always resist you when you create your means content for your website or your client website. Remember, weekly almost 2 or 3 articles, then Google understand this website is fully activity, because most of the look at this website and you can earn research. Then you can understand they are provide their content almost 1 or 2 years course. I challenge you your look, then you can understand. But your activity to actively post your content, then Google trust you, and this also is quality, and they are provide quality content and user, and always I will say follow quality not quantity, understand. And thank you so much for this video. And I don't care my page is not good because I'm so tired, but I am creating video because I challenge. I almost have a 40 to 50 video about local SEO, how to rank local SEO for a business. And look at this, my I think I cut this. Okay, today I post about Laravel SEO. Most of the time we are get Laravel SEO, but we are don't working because we don't have coding knowledge. But I even don't enough coding knowledge, but I have a basic coding knowledge for SEO. If don't coding knowledge, you can use YouTube, Google, because you are organized. Why you can't do it? You are researching, then you can easily find your problem and then fix your problem. And I am posting, and I am start almost after 20 or 25 days after I will start how to do Laravel SMS coding, how to change your PHP title, description, and on page SEO. But most of the time don't use pages or need coding, but on pages need coding and technical SEO, page speed optimization, schema text, and all lots of more times we need SEO, technical SEO and our coding knowledge. But I will show in after 20 days I will properly lesson. Thank you so much. And our today topic is title optimization. I hope you can understand. Just you follow exact mess and you are shortly explain your service in your title. Thank you so much for watching this video. And right now I'm off record and go to the social media and post my videos. I don't just edit because I don't have enough time, but I hope you can understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.